Do you have the same constitutional rights as a non-citizen if you're an immigrant? Hi, my name is Mustafa Indanusa, your litigation attorney, and today I want to talk to you about something that's been coming up after our new president's executive orders. People have been asking if I'm an immigrant, which means you're not a citizen. And I'm going to classify people that are immigrants here as people from someone that has a green card to someone that is undocumented. I'm going to put everyone in that group as someone who is an immigrant. Do you have the same constitutional rights as someone that is a citizen? And the answer is, of course, no matter what the president has to say about that, you have the same constitutional rights as anyone that is living in this country or staying in this country would be afforded. So you have the right to drive your car without being stopped. You can only be stopped if there's some kind of probable cause or reasonable suspicion. If you're in your home, the police cannot come into your home and harass you without a warrant. The same rights that are afforded to a U.S. citizen are the same rights that are going to be afforded to you. Now, what if you're approached by the police, or you're approached by ICE, or you're approached by FBI? What do? You do the same thing that we have talked about in other videos. You tell the truth is the most important thing, especially if you're talking to someone that's with immigration or ICE. You give the documentation that is necessary, which means your ID. That's it. After that, you have the right to remain silent. You don't have to say anything. The same way a citizen has the right to remain silent, if you're an immigrant, you also have the right to remain silent. Start asking your questions. I am going to assert my right to remain silent, or I want to speak to an attorney if the person you're dealing with is a police officer. If the person you're dealing with is an ICE agent or somebody related to immigration, it is critical that you tell the truth, you don't give any false documents, because there are severe consequences in immigration if you lie to somebody that is working for the government. So remember, you have the same constitutional rights as everyone else.